Drop it.
What's going on? How you guys doing? Drop it. Christian, what's going on? Good morning. STV sent you. Man, I love that kid. I had a lot of fun this morning playing The Spy. Now, I knew that today the market wasn't going to create a whole lot of opportunities, so I just took it upon myself to find the opportunities, and the opportunities were there. And, we got Apple Jacks in the stream. Jacob, what's up, man? Apple Jacks. If you guys don't know who Apple Jacks is, he was my handy. He edited my videos. He did the whole camera switching, kind of like when I'm like, hey, how you doing? Hey, how you doing? Hey, 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 hey. So anyways, yeah. Applejack's in the house. What's going on, man? Make sure you guys, Applejacks, why don't you just go ahead and drop your Instagram link in the chat, man? It's good to see you. Man. So, let's get right into the chart. This is where opportunity was created. Now, let's talk about this. Now, in STV's live stream, I said, okay, there's going to be a pump. I usually always play the market to the 200, wherever price action is relative to where the 200 is, right? It's like, it's almost a give me that at market open, there's a 200 retest, right? So pump, then dump. I'm never wrong. I am never wrong. Guys, trade 1348. Make sure you go ahead and get some. Trade1348.com. Don't get 2023 off to a bad foot. Please don't do it to yourself, right? If you didn't lose your wife in 2022, you might lose her in 2023 because STV's coming. He needs his cougar. Yeah, hopefully she has all her teeth. All right, now let's go ahead and check out Affirm. Last trading day of the year. Who is fucking pumped? All right, Affirm is showing us a whole lot of nothing, right? Guys, remember, it's all about risk management. And as it stands right now, yeah, showing us a whole lot of nothing. Oh, Pete Alvarez, thank you for noticing. Thank you for noticing. Wait. Hold on. You guys didn't notice STV's cut, but you noticed mine. You're making me blush. Lori, how you doing, sweetheart? Good to see you. Okay, guys, let's look at some other tickers. Today would probably be the day you sit on your hands. Maybe insert the thumb in your asshole and keep it busy, because all we have is sideways action. Behave out there. Astro says, I noticed both of your cuts, commented on both too. Got my cut yesterday. Yes, sir. Believe it or not, guys, I get my haircuts every Tuesday and Friday. My barber comes in the morning. He brings all his equipment, cuts me up. And, I rarely showcase, my locks. I really do. I'm always wearing a hat. It's a reverse disguise. When I'm out in public and I'm not wearing a hat, no one knows who the fuck I am. When I'm wearing a hat, it's like, oh, you're that dude? Like, yeah, I'm that dude. Bye. All right, let's go. Let's see. Jacob's here. Bruce Wayne. Appreciate it. Without the hat. There you go. Bruce Wayne without the hat. Eddie R. Yes, it's a hemorrhoids tickle day. Just make sure you don't bleed. because chances are the market might. All right, so what else are we looking at? Let's get in some tickers. Let's see. Invictus is sleepy right now. Holy hell. Okay, so 3-minute crosses. That's what we got. We got AMD at 1028 crossing onto 3-minute. It's below the 200 EMA. MACD showing green, and the trend is strong. Support, resistance, support at 63.31, resistant at 64.32. For those all the way in the back who are wondering, what's 1348 all about? Do you know what it's about? It's about financial freedom. It's about being able to digest the market in an actionable format that's going to help you make money consistently day in and day out. Tuxedo Flux, 21% on the port. Oh, man, you beat me. I'm only like 0.6% up on my port, right? But I'm okay with that. Congratulations, man. Let's get back to it. So I want to check out AMD and then IWM. What is AMD doing? Advanced Micro Devices. Here we go. Now we had to cross on the 3-minute right here as it hit the 200 EMA. Now, sort of kind of rejected, but it's making another attempt. Here we go on a 5-minute. It has not crossed. So what are we looking for? We're looking for a cross. We're looking for RSI to remain above 50, which is the midpoint, right? We want to see that call, and then we're probably going to play it up to 64.44. At that point, you can secure the bag or defend it, right? This is where you would set your stop. So you can defend it. It's really that simple, guys. We do not make things complicated. There's no reason for trading to be so complicated. You know, I share a story with you. I was younger, not a lot of money. Yeah, I needed new brake pads and rotors. So here goes my happy, just brokey ass going over to AutoZone. And when I did it myself, it just like blew my mind. I'm like, I was paying somebody to do this. Am I paying for convenience? Am I paying for my own laziness? Or am I paying because I'm intimidated? And I tell you what, it was because I was intimidated. I think most people are intimidated by things they do not know. But if you go ahead and you just take that dive and make it a point to learn, you know what? You will no longer be intimidated, and you will no longer be putting money in someone else's hands who are like, oh yeah, free money, right? Those guys, they take a performance cut, whether you go up or down. It doesn't matter, right? I mean, a management cut. They take a management cut, whether it goes up, down. Is like, hey, sorry, we're not in our control. The market does whatever the fuck it wants to do. And it's just like, okay, let the market do whatever the fuck it wants to do. But we know how to play the market whenever it does whatever the fuck it wants to do. Okay, so Tesla reversal. Let's see. Let's check out Tesla for the reversal. Let's get into it. Tesla for the reversal. This is interesting. Okay, I'm not going to front run this because you are at a level here. I would need a clean break. I would also need RSI to break below midpoint. But look at its moving average. You see this banana yellow here, right? Darker yellow. It's still showing, uptrend, a slight curvature there. Guys, you know how like when you look down in the shower and you see that slight curvature? That's what we're getting here. So you want to go ahead and make sure that curvature is a little more pronounced because you got to hook them. And then you get the RSI break below the midpoint. I think the trend to the upside is possibly over. And where do you play this to? Well, you can play it to the 48. Okay. You can play it to the 48. Your risk would probably be the 13. That's what you're risking it to. But you can play it to the 48. Let's see. It's difficult not to trade if I'm watching the charts. Yes, because the charts are talking to you. Right. Here we go. So yes, we got it broke. We got a break. We got a clean break below. RSI is just really fucking around, right? I really want to see RSI commit to breaking below 50. But this trade looks solid. I don't know if it's a reversal or just more sideways action. As you can see, you could get a pretty good amount of candles in this area. So, hey, look, if you're going to play that reversal, play to the 48 and just be done with it. Let's see. Wait, mine's curves up. Okay, so I was talking in generic terms, Leo. The ladies in the back, if you need something like that, hit them up. All right, back to the chart. What else are we looking at, guys? Vapor Rub took 15% on Netflix. Roblox reversal off blue pill line. Let's go ahead and check that out. Okay, here we go. Roblox. And Roblox. So we got the blue pill line here at $27.99. This could probably end up being the trade of the day. Lori, what the fuck are you packing? She said mine's just perfect. What? Oh, never mind. Okay. Jason Westhaver. What you miss? A whole lot of nothing. Okay. Just lots of chopped at one play and got stopped out for a small profit. There you go. Lori, it's fake. Oh, she's got a strap on. She's got a Rambone. Okay. Now, $27.93. We're going to pay attention to Roblox because I think this could be the trade of the day as far as like a reversal. Okay. Again, don't quote me on it. There's a possibility. Just looking at the chart, please do not front run. We have some conditions that need to be met. We need to get within approximate area of this. We're 6 cents away. I think that qualifies as approximate, right? There you go, 3 cents away. So how do we play this? We look to see if we get the candle break, we get a candle break above, right? And then we get the rejection below. Okay, that's what I'm essentially looking for. What I also want to see, look at the RSI moving average, right? Seems to have reached an apex. All I need to see is RSI peak down. And then what I'm going to do is I'll probably play it to 27.56, defend that profit, play it down, then defend that profit. You do have some intermediate levels here. You have a level at 27.28 and 27.09. So there are levels for the journey on the way down, right? So let's see. We are approximate here. Just got to wait and see what RSI does. Woo. Again, guys, price action is above the 200 EMA. So with Roblox, we are biased to this call. If we do get the reversal, expect it to be short-lived. Now, let's go ahead and look at her on the daily. On the daily, she's come up to a level, and she's come up to the 13. Ooh, okay. This further establishes my opinion on Roblox here, okay? If you guys are going to play it, especially this Friday, play for next Friday, we have a monster move. Anybody got news on Roblox? We'll come back to it. Let's look at Netflix. And Netflix attempting to cross above the 200. Well, it has crossed above the 200. We're talking about the 13 and the 48, attempting to make that cross. Momentum looks good. You do have a level at 288.82. I would wait for the actual signal. I would definitely wait for the actual signal because we do not know if 287.58 is giving you more than you deserve. Okay, so let's see. Let's see. You're at a level here. Do we break? If you break, you go ahead and you establish your stop, right? If you jumped in on this and you made some coin, establish your stop to take profit. Okay, defend it. It's all about defending. Let's go ahead and look at SPY. And SPY's just moving sideways. I mean, nothing really here. Nothing really actionable. Okay, winning loser. Winning loser. Hi, how you doing, buddy? Yeah, I saw what you were doing over there in SGV's live stream. Listen, oh man, look it. You killed it. You 100% poured it. That's insane. Now, What I have to say is, don't make it a habit. And Jacob says I gave him out. Got a brand shoot. Boom! We got to link up soon. See how much love. Applejack's out. Take it easy, brother. Man, I love that. I love success. So Applejack's obviously, worked with me for a good amount of time, and he had opportunity. And I'm not going to go ahead and be the 200 EMA and reject him from that opportunity. I say, go for it, brother. Make it happen. Okay, so Apple trying to cross the 200. Let's see. What is she doing? Apple. Chart. Let's go. Looking a lot like our friend over here. Netflix. Looking a lot like it, right? So now we're able to identify a market cadence when you see multiple tickers having almost the same momentum, right? So, man, look at Netflix. I like that. Right? You guys know you're playing to a level, right? You break that level, then defend it. Algo says, I got 8% off the SPY this morning, out of the market. Heads up, there's an issue with the 3-minute alerts being delayed. All right, go get it fixed. Get it fixed. Look at the dollar, DXY. We got a cross here. DXY. All right, cross up above the 200 EMA. I wouldn't chase this. Dollar is acting kind of wonky. This is some big dick energy here. Okay. Now, we also have, where are we? 103,947. That would be a level. I can't say I'm interested. I can't. Spot's doing a Netflix as well. So Spotify, here you go. Doing another Netflix, currently at a level. Can you tell me why my Rivian didn't work? I played the closing candle above the 200. Okay, let's talk about that, Wayne. Guys, learning moment. It's time to get educated. Educated. Let's get educated, all right? All right, so Apple Pop, yep. Now, Rivian, you played, dude. Wayne. Okay. Wayne. Did you get a whole candle close above that 200? No, you didn't. Right? Your front ran once you had a candle, including the wick. Right? Come on up. You also have a level at 1858. You should have been able to see that. Okay? You should have been able to see that. If you're saying, well, it wasn't here when I took the trade, right? It wasn't here. No, it was. It was right here as well. It was right here. So your expectation should have been a scalp because, again, when price action is below the 200 EMA, your buys to puts. So what you essentially did here was play against the trend. And, well, the trend wasn't your friend here, but shit, there's opportunity. There's opportunity, right? So the opportunity should have been a scalp. You got rejected, got stopped out. What were you playing? What was your expiration? That's another thing. What was your expiration? Leo, if that's your setup, man, it works for you. It works for you. Next Friday. Okay. Well, you got stopped out. You came in a little too early. Ideally, what you could have done, right, is saw the rejection off the 200, but then you're paying attention to RSI. You had a RSI break, right? RSI bounce, essentially coming off the 13. This would have been a more profitable play, in my opinion, right? But you got hammered here. That's literally what happened. You got hammered at 1858. That's why the play did not come through. Now, Wayne, I have to ask you, do you have levels on your chart? Or do you just simply say, to hell with levels? All right, QQQ. QQQ is at the 200. Now, this is another great example of a candle not fully committing above a level, all right? I need to wait for this play to develop, okay? So, Wayne, if you had a level, right, don't be mad at yourself. Don't be mad at me. Be mad at the level for being right, right? Oh, we got an Apple cross. Interesting. Let's go ahead and check out Apple. But QQQ, not interested. Apple got a cross. You're above the 200, so you will have to defend the 200. That's where you're at. Now, here's the other problem. That's the only other problem I see. You have a level at 129.22. Okay? So going into this call, you saw the candle come right up. That's when you go ahead and secure the bag. Gabe, Roblox, red candle on blue pill line. Roblox definitely going to pay out and play out, right? What we say. I was like, I would wait for a candle to break above the 200 EMA and then... am I right? Tim, am I right? Ladies, gentlemen, pronouns, am I right? I am. You know why? That guy over there, that chart, he don't lie to me. Okay, so let's go ahead and get some emotional damage. Fuck yeah.
Emotional damage.
There we go. I need that candle to close below blue pill and our side cross first. That's it. Guys, we can teach you this. We can teach you this. We could definitely teach you this shit. Okay? Let's look at the SPY. And the SPY, look at what we have here. Just massive sideways action and consolidation. Right? Tabasco Dave. Fundamentals says we're using all caps. Yeah, so we got consolidation here. That 200 EMA has remains to be undefeated. Guys, just think about the 200 EMA as the internet. You fuck around, find out the internet will always win and memify the shit out of you. The 200 EMA will humble your portfolio if you don't respect it. Okay. It's always the 200 for the win. Guys, we're giving you free game for the ladies in the back, the pronouns, the men. Listen, you want to change your life? Trade1348.com, right? Don't make me have to repeat myself. And for the love of God, if you don't want to try 1348, that's fine. But don't talk shit and then try to act all smart on social media and say, well, it's a lagging indicator. Oh, it doesn't work. Oh, it's a scam. It's just like, you know what? I tell you what, you're just scamming yourself, and you probably scammed your mom because your mom wasted that one trip down to Canal just for you. Show your mama some respect. All right, back to the chart. Let's look at Invictus. Nothing from Invictus 3. Roku. You guys want to check out Roku? All right. DXY showing strength. I told you, it can help. Well, okay. It helps you, Leo. You know, it more power to you. But I like to play the charts for what they are, right? I don't like to think that one correlates to another or cause and effect. I don't believe in that, right? I'm too focused on one chart, one play at a time. Right? It's using DXY to help confirm any potential bias or thesis you may have in something else. It's kind of like asking your potential girlfriend's best friend if she got good pussy. You see what I'm saying? You need to find out for yourself. Focus on what you need to focus on, which is the chart that you truly want to play. All right. Let's see. I had a big head as a baby. Mom sacrificed a lot. Poor mom. Poor mom. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what else we can find in the market. I mean, SPY just moving sideways. There may be a loose correlation, but I don't really care to look. That's just me personally. Hey, whatever works for you works for you. But just for me, remember that your attention needs to be on the chart and on the play. You know what I mean? Let's see. Eddie. Eddie's like, damn, I'm in my 50s. I wish I did. All right. Apple. What's Apple doing? Apple got the cross. You're defending the 200 here, guys. Remember, right? That you get that break below. That's where you got to defend. Okay. You have a level here. It definitely gave you more than you deserve. It came back. It broke through and gave you this 129.22. If you don't defend this, you're in for a world of hurt. Okay. You need to defend it. Leo, love you, bro. Love you. Let's see. Picked up a 2-3 Amit put today when it popped based on the daily cross predictor. When do you think? What do you think on the daily? All right, let's go ahead and check out MAAT off the daily cross. Let's open her up. And wow, okay. Potential cross here. But this cross is leading into consolidation. And you guys understand this, right? The longer the consolidation, the bigger the move. She did break below this level. The question is she going to retest? As it stands right now, RSI is perfectly in good shape. I probably wouldn't front run this up until I actually get the cross. Okay. Invictus Alerts, QQQ, and Amazon. Finally, you wake up. Invictus, Amazon, cross up, 1056. Let's give that a whirl. And no. No, that is not happening. Do not chase into this. It actually looks like a rejection. Next one up, we have the Qs, QQQ, and more of the same. The 200 EMA just remains undefeated. Invictus tries, he really does. But it's up to you as the trader to use Invictus as an additional layer, an additional indicator, and you still have to fall back to the rules here. 200 EMA is right there. No bueno, me no likey. 3-minute cross here, Roku. Have we checked out Roku? Here we go, Roku. Okay, so you got a call, and we have a level here, which you rejected from. Oh boy, looks like the market wants to cause some emotional damage. Guys, if you are up on your port today and you're up over 1%, just consider yourself, all set for the new year, okay? Consider yourself all set for the new year. All right, so let's go ahead and do roll call here. Who is up over 1% today? Who's up over 1%? Thumbs up. Let's see it. Luke Slowwalker, what's going on, my guy? What is going on? Tori, Luke, Moonbound, Nextasy, this guy, me, Zero, me, hands up, thumbs down, hands up, hands up, hands up, Wayne, thumbs down. Eugene, oh, we got a lot of people. Thumbs up, thumbs up. Everyone's saying hi. 1.4 Tabasco Dave, 6% on a day. And it's my first trade ever using the system. Justin, way to go. Lisa, let's see. TBD, not yet. Wayne is down. Wayne keeps giving us a thumbs down. All right, bro, we get it. But that was your fault. You had a level right there, man. You had a level right there. Algo crushing it. ICP's down. Okay, I get it. Nicky Ricky, up. Okay. Who's up for the week? Who's up for the week? Thumbs up if you're up for the week. Pauline, Rogue, Nextasy, Phoenix, Luke, Miguel, Tori, Raphael, Sean, Astro, Mark, Nextasy, Diana, not Logan. Uh-oh. Oh, now the hands are really coming up. You up for the week? Uh-huh. Winning loser, I know you're up. Right here. Tabasco. DC fan for life. What's up? Justin's up. Let's see. Paper traded spy. Okay, up 5.3% today. I'm up. Yes, sir. Haven't traded yet. Luigi is giving me a smiley emoji. Nicky Ricky down. Nacho Libre up. Mr. J up. Thumbs up. Gave back profits yesterday, but still up $30. It's good. Okay, 50% on the week. Tabasco. Okay, so there's the reason why I'm bringing this up, right? So you know how like we play base hits, right? You could also do that on a per day basis, right? If you're feeling a little funky, if you're feeling like, okay, the market isn't creating opportunity for me, right? Or you're just having a problem digesting the market, step away, put down your phone, right? Tomorrow, more base hits, right? It's all about the long term, right? And I think a lot of people need to know that just because you're down, well, you shouldn't be down more than 1% on a day, right? You shouldn't allow that. But at the end of the day, it's over time, right? Over time. I'm going to be slowing down in 2023 and not holding things as long. Tabasco, okay. They bombed Ukraine again yesterday. Oh, man. Tuesday, right? Not tomorrow. Tuesday. Yep. Plus, in January, we start saving on 1348 costs if you are OG. There you go. Start saving. Okay, back to the charts here. We have Roku just definitely respecting this blue pill line here, this level. Yeah, man. You know what? Fuck it. You guys, you know what? You don't want to pay the 49 or the 69 or whatever the case may be, right? I'll tell you what. These blue pill lines by themselves are worth the price of admission. Plus, you get me. All right. Anyways, made 10% last week. That helped me stay away from forcing trades this week. And I was far more relaxed. Absolutely. Roblox showing signs. Here we go. This is, for me, the trade of the day. I want this reversal so bad. I do. I do. Let's see. You got RSI here. It's just way overcooked here. What are we doing on the 1 minute? It's rimming the 1 minute. It's rimming it. Look at this. I'm waiting for that knife. I'm waiting for that knife. Here we go. Back to the 5 minute. Let's see. From 26 to 28. I mean, that's a big move. Let's go ahead and let's see. That is a 6 as it stands. Well, to the high. To the high, you're looking at 6.64% move. That's a big move for any stock on the day. This is wild. And you know what? Let's go ahead and go on over to the daily and see its ATR. Guys, I'm going to show you something here. We're going to break down the average true range once again. Right? The average true range is saying, Jesus Christ, Lisa, thank you. I love you. But this ought to keep your expectations in check when it comes to Roblox, right? Its ATR on average is 2. It's 2. We just saw a move of $6 on the day. What the hell you think is going to happen? This thing gave you way more than you deserve. If you took this call, congratulations, you made your money. Now get the hell out. ATR was your warning. That was your warning. Roblox gave you far more than you deserve. Let's see. Miguel, $2, 6%. Yeah, wait, my bad. $2, 6%. You're right. Oh, shit. I had a dyslexic moment. The thing is, the thing here is that it's already made its move. It's already made the move on the range, right? So it's giving you a lot more than you deserve. A lot more. A hell of a lot more. It's still at ATR. So, okay, check this out. You expect it to give you more than the ATR average? Or do you expect it to stay within its range? I expect it to stay in the range. It's already done what it needs to do. If SPY rips, then Roblox will keep going a lot higher. Thoughts? I don't think SPY's ripping. Let's go ahead and look at the SPY really quickly. Let's see. It really? Lisa says I sent a sticker and got kicked off. Really, Lisa? No, I saw your $5 there, sweetheart. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for that. Let's see. Where are we? We guys, at any given moment, does the SPY look like it's getting ready to pop, or does it look like it's getting ready to die? It looks like it's getting ready to die, right? You got consolidation here in this channel, RSI and moving average, hella paired right here. Super tight. You need lube to get in there. Then MACD is not convincing whatsoever. That MACD is not convincing. So I would wait for the SPY to break below the 380.26. That's what I'm looking for. I'm up. Thank you. I got froze out. I think it was my Wi-Fi. It happens. Pat McAfee to go on Fubo TV. Okay. So the SPY here is literally pinned between a level and a 13. It's going to take a whole lot of momentum to break through all these levels. You got the 13, you got the 48, you got the blue pill, you got the 200. I'm not really looking for the SPY to do a whole lot, at least right now. You might get a little surprise towards the end of the day, right? But not really a whole lot right now. As it looks, though, I'm looking at the indicators. I'm like, okay, she's going to come down at some point. Okay, but this is not financial advice. It's not. It's just basically my interpretation of the chart. Okay, guys. What else are we looking at? It seems like it's a boring morning. Let's see what Invictus has for us. Amazon and QQQ still open. Interesting. Let's check out Google. Google cross up. How big a factor is Discord, which I'm not great at navigating. Thanks. Seems like a great group. Okay, so Discord is primarily for just the community and the chat, right? You just really have to focus your attention on market talk and shoot the shit in the Discord, right? From there on, it's fairly simple. But everything that we're doing is off of platform, right? Alerts off Discord can be cumbersome, and this is the reason why Andy was like, we need to make it beautiful. And I'm like, yes, give her a BBL. That's what I'm looking for. Okay, back to the chart. Let's see, Google. Let's bring her up here. Google coming up to the 200. And Oh boy. Also, private live stream channel is important. Also, yes, yes. We've just been public for the rest of the year, as our way of saying thank you, even to our haters, because we know we got haters that are low key lurking and like saying, hey, maybe I should try this. Oh, it works. All right. Let's see. Oops, wrong one. Let's see. No, we got Alphabet here. This is Alphabet. The first one I got. This is Class C, right? Gabe, is Netflix reversing? Showing signs, in my opinion. Let's go ahead and check it out. But Google here, 200 EMA. Who cares? Mr. Makita Packout. Yo, what up, Gabe? Happy New Year, dude. Same to you. Same to you. Discord alerts are a la carte. Tabasco. Discord alerts are a cart and buggy racing. The Tesla Plaid. That is platform. All right, cool. So we're going back to Netflix. Let's check out Netflix. Did Netflix give us some reversal energy? Let's find out. Yeah, we got some consolidation here. But where is that level? I'm always concerned within 7 trading days. If we hit a level, this is fairly close. You can see these are fairly close. 7 trading days and no. So we're going to say that this is a level for Netflix at 291.76. I don't think it has that much steam. I just don't think it has that much steam. You do have a level here at 288.78. I mean, that's something I would expect it to fall back down to, especially considering that that's right around where the 13 is at. Oh boy, Netflix. Ooh, AR guy got his Christmas bonus. And did the spy knife. Ah! Okay. I just had I had to have a moment here. We LOL, will the spy go back up? We're not even talking about that. Roblox and coin puts gonna print. We told you. The charts told you. We never fail. Here we go. We never fail you. Oh, so what are we playing down to? What are we playing down to? Right? You got this break. You got this dip. This could be interesting. DC fan was checking his sound. No, I just got real silent. Nicky Ricky loves being on a good side of the trade. Absolutely. How did you pause for that long? I thought the screen froze. I was blinking, though. I was blinking. Come on. Right? I was just, the chart remains undefeated. Ladies and gentlemen, trade1348.com. Guys, if you know a family member, a friend, a loved one, and you want to help them change their lives, come on, we can do this here. We can do this here. Man. Did we call it? Did we call it? Yeah, that was a trade-gasm. What? That was. It felt good. 9% Tesla next week's STV. My man. Man, I love to see you guys win. I love to see you guys win. Gabe, you got something in the mail? Oh, I got to check out the P.O. box. I'll drive down. I'll drive down into the city today. All right. Okay. Back to the charts. Currently 11:16. What are we doing here, baby? Let's check out Invictus. Yeah, also, sorry. Okay, look it. Again, Invictus is an indicator. You fall back onto the rules. This is what we got here. Reversed, right? You have to understand the rules enough to say, okay, Invictus, I like what you're telling me. You're cluing me in. Let me go ahead and confirm it, right? So let's go ahead and check out Amazon. I just love this. I love this. Let's go ahead and look at this. There you go. Right? There you go. Listen, guys. Invictus is part of 1348, and I like Invictus. I like Invictus. Whether Invictus is right or Invictus is wrong, by the time you get the alert and you look at the chart, you are able to break it down and see it. And you could say, okay, bro, you're wrong, but thanks for the alert. I know how to play it anyways. Okay? For the most part, Invictus is right. Okay? Let's go ahead and look at Tesla. Ooh, Tesla. Okay, Tesla crossed down. Okay, so this is another example where I'm looking at the 200 EMA and I'm like, okay, I can play this down to the 200 EMA. If we take it down to the 200 EMA and we break, that's where I use the 200 EMA to defend my profit. Because then next up, you got 120.15. And Tesla made a move. It made a move thingy thing. Nacho. Happy New Year, brother. Happy New Year. So here we go. Tesla, potential cross down to the 200. Let's see. Now up 115% on a portfolio for the day and done trading. Winning loser just wants to keep going. Oh, man. You know what? I get it. Because winning is addictive, especially when you're able to trade with confidence and clarity, and that's what 1348 does for you, right? Moonbound, 12% on the port today. Going to end my trading year on that. Thank you for the gift of taking control of my financial future. Sticking around to BS. Happy trading, everyone. Moonbound, thank you. Thank you for just committing to it and allowing yourself to see what happens when you do. Tabasco Dave, using fundamentals and proper mindset, 1-2% on port a day is boring reliable. That's it. Vincent Carmacci, Gabe, is the ATR calculated from pre-market? That's actually a good question. I don't know. What did I trade? I actually trade the SPY pump and the SPY dump. It's what I call it this morning. That's what I traded. Just getting in the chat. Has anyone said anything about Mullen? Really, Jason? Okay, let's do Mullen. I'm gonna have some fun with this one. Let's go. Okay. Really? Right? Is this a car company? Or are they selling micro machines? Are they selling micro machines? Or are they selling actual fucking products? Right? If they're selling micro machines, I want to go to Target and pick me up a whole fucking set. 28 cents? Are you kidding me? Listen, who's this guy here? Who is this guy? Who is this guy? Please stand up, sir. This is garbage. And this is why retail is constantly getting fucked. Right? They're constantly getting fucked because they're like, oh my God, it's so cheap. And Sean, yeah, he is a joker. This is so cheap. I can't get rich. It's happening. No, it's not. It's not happening. Shit in, shit out. Penny stocks equals poop. Yes. Mark N. On the fourth floor at Carvana. Whoa. Are you really at Carvana? You better hurry up and get out, man. Rumor is they can't afford their rent. Arnold says, I've heard that Forex has more volume, but someone the other day told me that the stock has more volume and it's better for volatility. What's the case? You know, you're going to have your pros and cons of both markets. 1348 happens to work in both. So you know what? If you want to play Forex, go. If you want to play stocks, go. Let's see. No, Mullen. Oh, yeah, that's Mullen. Ooh. All right. What else are we looking at? Let's see what the SPY's doing. And guys, I got 8 more minutes. And then I got some kid trying to sell me solar. I don't know why I agreed to that appointment, but he seems like a good kid, right? He's from Bed-Stuy. I'm like, okay, yeah, you're from New York. That's cool. You know, it's like, hey, you know, young kid trying to make it work. If the numbers don't make sense, I'm not doing it. But yeah, I still gave the kid a commitment of my time. So that's at 12. And then I got to be on here at 12:30. So it's going to be quick. Gabe, is the platform introducing anything new in the coming months? Vincent, I'm going to keep my lips sealed. All right. Some follow me traders pump and dump penny stock. Of course, they all do it. They all do it. Apple Invictus alert. Let's go ahead and get us some Apple. Woo. Okay. Where did Invictus alert it? So Apple crossed down 200 EMA. It's below. Good. Right? So we know that Apple's below the 200 EMA. We know that the MACD is weak, and we see oversold on our side. Okay, hold on. Now let's go. Yeah, our side should have said weak here with Apple, but you do have that cross down, and then you do have a level at 127.86. I am liking this. I'm liking this. You know, you got that rejection from the 200, right? Give you a little more than you deserve. I'm liking this. Play next Fridays. Play at the money. So, you know, as close to the 128 as possible. And you might have a decent play here. 127.84. That is a level. That's it. Please do a 1348 app. Those are goals. Those are goals. Any idea how many OGs are hitting their 1 year 1348 anniversary next month? I am. Oh, Moonbound. Yeah. How many OGs are hitting their 1 year anniversary? How many of you been fucking with my degenerate ass for over a year? We're at or about a year. Let's get the thumbs up in the chat here. Okay. Now, Apple. I like this setup, guys. There you go. Anniversary 21st. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Oh, man. Look at this. Feb is January, February. Kim. Oh, Kim, I love you. Kim's one of my faves. Eddie. Yes. Pod. Luke. Boring Trader. Costa Rica Doug. Been in for a year. There you go. I love it. I love it. Okay. So let's see what the SPY's doing in the meantime. The SPY's coming on down. Oh, boy. A year in February, January. Man, I love that you got so many people in here who have been doing this for a year. 1.5 years with STB. Dope. Been with you before 1348 was public. Squirrel, thanks. Right, over a year. I love you guys. I fucking love you guys. All right. Now, let's go ahead and last rant of 2022. Yeah? No? Yeah? Let me know. Let's see. How long did it take for you to become a consistent trader? It took me years, but I'm passing along that information to you so that it can take you months. And one of the biggest things I had to learn and understand was I'm not better than the market. The market doesn't give a shit about how I feel. The market doesn't give a shit about what I know. The market doesn't care about the news. The market doesn't care about your group. The market doesn't care about, FinTwits and all that nonsense. It just doesn't, right? No one cares about what you think, right? So instead of speculating, I decided I'm just going to roll with the big boys. There you go, Tabasco. I remember that. I've been around since way before 1348. These guys are fire. Phoenix, love you, man. Lambert Farms. I remember your product review days. Yeah, I was just having fun, right? But then I realized it was like, wait, yeah, people need to learn this shit. Okay, exit strategy and then rant. Okay, let's do it. Let's go ahead and look at Roblox and let's see. Okay, let's check out Roblox here. All right, chart. Nextasy, yeah, it was. Okay, so exit strategy. Now, if you played this put, it paid, right? So here is the thing. Pushing Daddy, I've been in since you had Coke and Hookers. Yes, sir. Coke and Hookers for the win, always. Okay, so here's the deal. Even though you're making that move south, right? You got to pay attention to RSI. I would say once you see RSI pivot up, that's when you're going to go ahead and defend to 13. You should be defending to 13 right now, especially if you got in above it, okay, as it was coming down. Now, the RSI and the MACD should lead the way for you, okay? It should lead the way for you. Now, it is fighting VWAP, all right? Thank you for that commentary, Mike. We're fighting VWAP as it stands, but RSI is going to set you free. Now, here's an extra bit of information here. You also have a put on the 1 minute, and it's rimming to 13. And RSI is also below 50, okay? You're probably going to see if you're worried about getting stopped out or you're worried about like, I'm going to lose my ass here. Once RSI breaks 50 on the 1 minute, you got to pay attention to it on the 5 minute, right? You got to pay attention to it. So just defend your profit. That's all I can tell you. Me and my youngest were watching Gabe's basic trading vids. Never did options before 1348. Mark. Dope. TGT looks decent. Let's look at Target. Nice. A break below this level. You do have the 200. RSI's got room to run. You printed your first red bar here on the histogram. Ladies and gentlemen, market's going night-night. That's all I have to say. If you are up 1%, you secured the bag. Congratulations. You have a successful last trading day of 2023. 2022. No need to risk it. Okay? Parsa. Thanks. Gabe, isn't the cost of the option going to eat all the profits? Guy Carpenter, what do you mean? What profits? I think I buy too expensive options. Guy, maybe you do. Maybe you do. But we play at the money. We keep it simple, man. We keep it simple. We break it down for you right inside platform here, right? So for instance, Apple, if you were looking to get into Apple, we give you your contracts, right? So a 127 put would it cost you $213 to $215, okay? That's if you played 7 days out, 14 days out, a little pricier, but it gives you insurance. And then 21 days out, a little pricier, but gives you even more insurance. So with that being said, just pay attention to the pricing relative to your portfolio size. Some Canadian brokers charge you to play options. Yes, I get that. What do we yellow into the new year? Okay. Target is coming down, broke below level. Looking at that really quick. So what do we yellow? All right. So if we YOLO today, guys, if we do a YOLO today, do we promise never to YOLO again? Just a question. YOLO life. I like that. I like that a lot, actually. Right? No YOLOs. We don't do YOLOs. I'm going to YOLO my liver. I feel SPY will do dip towards the end of the day because of the last day of the year and profit taking. Does it make sense? Yes. Yes, it makes absolute sense. Let's YOLO AMC puts. Don't ever take a no day. Never take a no day. But AMC puts. Ah! AMC. AMC. Oh, the SPY candle. What? Yeah, okay. This is interesting. Where did we find that level? We got one here. We're just going to draw this there. There's a level. There's a level here. It's got to be. Came right back up to the blue pill. Pay attention to that RSI. What is your final price ending year for AMC? I don't really care. It's the battle of 401. 379.68. All right, you found it for me, right? There you go. There you go. Thank you. Now you're in a whole new channel, right? It's stair-stepped up. Now it's stair-stepped down. It's in this range. This could get interesting. Let's see. All right. AMC rant. AMC rant, really quick, right? So, can somebody actually clip this? I need it clipped. I want it clipped. Right? Someone, Tabasco, can I count on you? Guy Carpenter. Have a good one. Okay. Remember what I said? The market just doesn't give a shit about your emotions, your reasoning, your DD, none of that stuff, right? Well, I mean, AMC, just it got caught up in the sauce. And it gave us more than we deserved. I mean, $2 to 72, if you were an early adopter and you jumped on in, you ran all the way up to 72, you greedy fuck, you made a whole lot of money. Now, I believed in AMC. Oh, I truly did. I did, man. I really, really, really did. But then I just realized that a community is only as strong as its weakest link, and there were a lot of fucking weak links in this community. These were not traders. These were gamblers. These were noobs. These were people who, were like, this is going to change my life. And I really had to take that step back, I'm going to be honest, and say, like, well, damn, my life's already changed. I really don't get to benefit much from that move, aside from, again, opening the school for autism. But that was my end game. The thing is that you saw people just romanticizing on, okay, yeah, Lambos and financial freedom, and I'm going to buy my mama this, I'm going to buy my mama that, and you saw so much financial irresponsibility. They were already planning on how to spend the money. You just saw that it was a lottery ticket. It went from movement to lottery ticket to just a flat out coat. And you saw that trend down. You saw the trend down along with the price action. It is what it is. It is what it is. Yeah, let's see. I'm confused on Roblox reversal. Shouldn't we have waited for the R side to cross below midline before entering? Sorry if this is off topic. No, let's go. Let's go. You have every right to ask that question because you are paying for admission. So, the Roblox reversal was essentially the break of our side below its moving average. You had that break. It happened at or about this candle. In between this candle and this candle, you had that break. Now, the trend gets confirmed in strength when RSI breaks below 50, right? Which means that price action is in a downtrend. As you can see, if you read RSI right now, it is elevated above 50. Hence, you see sideways price action, right? So I would just say, like, use these tools and learn to be versatile with the tools and the indicators, right? Yes, there are rules. An entry on a put would be RSI breaking below its moving average. An exit would be RSI breaking above its moving average, right? A confirmation to the trend down would be RSI below 50. Also, printing some red here on the histogram. But you can see the market has lost a little bit of momentum. Let's look at the SPY. What did the SPY do? And the SPY is looking to trap. This is mostly sideways shit here. Don't really care for it. All right. You helped perpetuate that too, though, with AMC. I helped to perpetuate it because at that moment in time, it was going up. But when I say sell, I got hung. You know, if shit. I wonder if, I don't know, maybe a million AMC apes actually listen to sell. You know, how much their life would actually have changed. Anyways. Oh, and Matt Quartz was first. I'm going to give him credit for that, right? But I came in and I was like, nah, man, this shit's no good. All right. I'll always be straight with you guys. Always. Trade 1348 is rehab for apes. I like that. I like that. That has to be a skit. Anyways, guys, it is 11:38. I'm going to go ahead and prepare for this kid who's coming on in. Going to give him a shot. See how much he can help me save on my electric bill. Whatever. I mean, guys, but what's your monthly electric bill? I'm just really curious. And mine's fluctuates between like $250 and $400 a month. All right. Let's see. Up 18% on my port for the day, and I'm done. Happy New Year. See money. See money takes his money. That's what I like to see. Astro 265. $800. Damn. How many crypto miners do you have in your house? 380, probably due to the Threadripper, yeah. 300 to 400, 300 to 500. Okay. 183? 1,600? 1,600 a month? Sean has solar running the house. Okay, see that's what I'm thinking. 3 to 600, 4 to 450, 500, 600. Kid was like, y'all running old school tanning salons? 460, 250. Gabe wondering if the kid should still come. Yeah, now I'm really like, oh man. Hey guys, I'm signing out. I'll see you at 12:30.